Welcome to our tutorial video on creating bulk invoice in our application. With Zoyride's bulk invoice creation, you can effortlessly generate client invoices for multiple trips in a single action, eliminating the need for manual entry and saving you valuable time. Now, let's dive into how to create bulk invoice in the application. Begin by navigating to the booking section from the main menu. Choose the relevant filters to narrow down the trips you want to include in the bulk invoice. For example, if you're invoicing for trips completed in November, apply the completed trip filter for that month. To create a bulk invoice, make sure that the trips are for the same client. Then click on the search button to proceed. Review the displayed trips and select the ones you want to invoice by checking the box next to each trip. Once your trips are selected, click the three dots button at the top right-hand corner. From the drop-down menu, select the bulk invoice option. A pop-up page will open where you can see the details of the trips selected. If you would like to add a tag to the invoice, simply click the Add Tag button. This will allow you to easily assign custom labels or categories to the invoice for better organization and tracking. When creating a bulk invoice, you will see an option labeled Number of Invoices. This option allows you to choose how you want to generate the invoices for the selected trips. There are two methods available. First, single invoice for all selected trips. Second, separate invoices for all selected trips. If you need to make any changes to the selected trips, simply click the Edit button next to each trip. This will allow you to update the relevant details and ensure the information is accurate before finalizing the bulk invoice. If you need to add or remove a trip, click the inverted arrows icon. This will take you to the trip details page. To remove a trip, simply uncheck the checkbox next to it. To add a trip, just select the checkbox, and it will be included in the bulk invoice. This makes it easy to modify your selection as needed. Once you've made the necessary changes, click the arrow to proceed to the next step. To apply a discount, click on the discount button, then enter the discount details and desired amount. This will automatically adjust the total invoice amount accordingly. Once you have reviewed all the details and made any necessary changes, select the appropriate tax slab. Then, click the Save button to finalize and save the bulk invoice. Your bulk invoice has been successfully created. After saving, the page will redirect to the invoice you just created. To download the invoice, click on the Download button, then choose the Print Invoice option. A pop-up will appear where you can select the invoice type from the available options. You can sort the trips by trip time in the created invoices, either in ascending or descending order. You can also check any additional options by selecting the checkbox if required. Finally, click on the Print button, and the invoice will be downloaded as a PDF. Let's take a look at the invoice we just downloaded. That's how you create a bulk invoice in our application. By following these steps, you can efficiently create both individual and bulk invoices. All your created invoices are available on the invoice page. Simply head there to view, download, or manage them anytime. Thanks for watching. Explore our other tutorial videos for detailed explanations of all the modules.